Hi, this is Amit from Digital Inspiration, and today we'll discuss how to create custom tabs for our Facebook pages. Now, you know that Facebook has made some very significant changes to their pages layout in the last few months. They've done away with custom landing pages and they've enabled timeline for all pages now. All the big brands like Nike, ESPN, Coke, they've all enabled custom tabs for the pages. But it's not just limited to big brands, even small publishers like us can have custom tabs for our Facebook pages. For instance, here's my Facebook page. Now this page has two tabs, the welcome tab and the YouTube tab. Inside the welcome tab, I have a brief introduction of the site and a like box. And inside the YouTube tab, I've embedded a few video tutorials that I've uploaded to YouTube so you can access them from Facebook. These custom tabs can make your Facebook pages stand out, and the best part is that you can create them for your own Facebook pages in less than 5 minutes. There's no coding required and anyone can create a custom tab as long as you have a free Google account. Let's see how. So first we need a place to host our Facebook pages. Now Google Sites is quite an awesome place for hosting Facebook pages for two reasons. One, it's free, and second, Google Sites can host pages over both HTTP and HTTPS, which is a must for Facebook pages. So give your Google site a name. You can give any name, but the URL of your site should be unique. So for instance, you can add a unique namespace if you like. For instance, I'll add Labnol here. Then you need to select a theme. There are several themes to choose from, but for our example, we'll go with the blank slate option, which means pure black and white and no colors. Next, fill in the CAPTCHA and create your site. Now once our Google site, a basic Google site is ready, we need to make a few changes to the site. So one, you need to associate your Google Analytics ID with your Google site. This is optional, but it will help because then you can track visits to your Facebook page using Google Analytics itself. Next, we need to change the layout of our site. Now we can set the width of the site as 100%, and this will help because then our content will occupy the 100% width of our Facebook page. We can also hide the header and sidebar because this kind of information is not required for a Facebook page. Then go to the system footer settings and hide everything because we don't want this stuff to appear in our Facebook page again. Now go to the home of your new Google site and let's create a new page. For this example, we'll create a simple About Me page. Now as you can see, Google site offers you a simple WYSIWYG editor for composing web pages. So writing a web page is almost as easy as writing a Word document. Your text can have headings, it can have hyperlinks, you can choose various fonts and everything else. For this example, I'll quickly copy paste some stuff from Wikipedia. I'll also add an image here. So we can right align this image and wrap the text around it. It's very simple. Now your basic page is ready. Now let's create another page that has a Google map. The steps are pretty similar. You give your Google site page a new name. Then from the insert menu, choose Maps and search for a physical address. Once you have found the address, choose Select. Now you can also alter the height and width parameters. For instance, you can leave the width parameter blank if you want the map to occupy the 100% canvas width. Save and your Google Map page is now ready. Next, go to the Facebook developer site and choose Apps. Now if you're using this site for the first time, you may have to add this Facebook developer app to your profile. So click the Go to App option and on the next screen, choose Create New App. Give your Facebook app a name and your basic app is now ready. Now expand the Page tab options and give this tab a name. For this example, we'll call it Welcome. We also need to specify the URLs of our Google site pages here. So for that, we'll go back to Google Sites under Pages and we'll copy the URL to our clipboard. Next, you need to paste the URLs from the clipboard to these two fields. Now these two URLs are exactly similar except for the fact that Page tab URL has HTTP and not HTTPS. You can also associate an image with your tab. And this is important because it will be visible on your Facebook page. So for this example, I have an image ready. I'll quickly associate it. And you can also change the page width from narrow to wide. Save the changes and your first Facebook app is now ready. Now next you need to add this app to your Facebook page. Now this is easy. Just copy the app ID to your clipboard. And there you see a URL in your screen. You need to replace this XYZ in the URL with your own app ID. You can find a link to this URL in the show notes. So just copy this entire URL and open it in your browser. It will open the Add Page tab dialog. Just select your page from the drop down and choose the Add Page tab button. And there you see, your new Facebook app has been successfully added to your Facebook page. Let's open it. So it's just like the Google site page you created, except that now it's embedded inside Facebook. And if you don't like that header, you can go back to your page in Google Sites and under page settings, just turn off show page title. Now let's go back to Facebook and refresh the page. And there you can see that the header is gone. So it was so easy to create a custom tab inside Facebook. Now let's try adding another tab to the same page. We'll go back to the Facebook developer site and click the Create New App button. We'll give our app a name, Locate Us for this example, and then go to the Page tab settings and give our page tab another name. Next, go back to Google Sites and copy the URL of the page, come back to Facebook and paste the URLs here. The only difference between the two fields is HTTP and HTTPS. You can also associate an image with your tab because it's visible on the Facebook page. You can set the page width to wide, save the changes, and your second app is ready. To add this app to your new Facebook page, just copy the app ID to the clipboard and bring the same URL. Replace the ID with the ID of the new Facebook app and open this URL in your web browser. You can select the page from the drop down and choose the Add Page tab option. There you can see the new app has been successfully added to your Facebook page. Let's open it. So you've seen how easy it is to create custom and rich Facebook tabs for our Facebook pages. You can also change the order of the tabs as they appear on your page. For instance, if you would like to move that address tab to the left side, you can choose the swap position option. Similarly, you can remove a tab from the page using the Remove from Favorites option. And that's all I have for you today. If you create any custom Facebook pages using this technique, do share in the comments. Thanks.